Using interactive timelines helps you create and control object animations more efficiently. For example, I want to pick some ingredients to make a pizza. When hovering the mouse over each type, it starts moving. Now, let's add a new timeline for each object by clicking this drop-down arrow. Select Add Timeline, then rename it optionally. Next, add animations for it. You are free to adjust the effect as you want. Remember to place the play header to add more animations in your timeline. Then, go back to the main timeline, and set action for its on-rollover event. Select Start Timelines and its corresponding value. Repeat the above steps for other ingredients to get amazing result. That's it.